So this is why it was heavy. This is actually being held on by some wood. Okay. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be nice. Select finish side is on the inside. So this is the top part of it right here. You hear Gotham tippy tapping. But it's nice how VentusAutoWorks sends this out to you. I was wondering why it was so heavy. I forgot this is how they sent it out when I had my 8th gen, because this is also the same one. Well, not the same one, but this is the same brand I got from them. I ended up getting some 3M mounting tape. So I got a pretty thin one, which this one is about 1/4 of an inch big. This one is about 1/2 an inch big. So I got 2 different sizes. And then it also came with some self-tap screws just to make it even more secure. So we're gonna go ahead and install this in just a few. Oh my God. Okay. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Now, we're going to be installing some side skirt splitters. It wouldn't be a video if I don't go do it at Hector's house or at Victor's house. So we're going to go do it at Victor's house. Getting the car ready up, guys. But the thing is, Honda has these things right here. As you can see, I was trying to rip this one off, but I need to drill into it. Let me show you the other side. Hey, wait. This piece right here, it's not salvageable. You need to take it off. You're gonna have to rip that off. Lift the car, drill into it, and then you should be able to just line up the side skirts right away. What ended up, this is the thing that I took out. The pins or clips, I guess you can say, are still in there, but it's flat enough for me to put the side skirt underneath it. And then I'm just screwing, going from smaller to bigger. That way I don't make a bigger hole than I need to. And it basically just came off. So we're gonna go ahead and the side skirt on this side, since it is already up. It came with its own right here. So it's nice because they're flat enough so they won't stick out on the bottom. But I did also bring some tape so we can line it up right. And then we'll go ahead and put it on good. So right now, let's just, I guess, mock it up with the plastic on just to see how it's gonna look. Probably be like, yeah, that's probably a good, go in a little bit more.
My finger.
Want your fingers? No. I feel like, actually, that might be good right there. All right, so check it out. We ended up putting the tape on the bottom of the car. That way we can line it up good and not have to struggle of taking it on, taking it off. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on here now. I guess that actually did work. Putting it on the car first and then lining this up did work. Doesn't go down, but I am still gonna drill into it with just a little bit, just to make sure that it doesn't fall out. Because of the side skirt that it has right now, you have like 1.5 inches right here, maybe 2 inches right there, and then another 1.5 inches right here. So in the middle, it looks like it's thicker, I guess is what you would say. So it doesn't look too bad. It's actually holding. But like I said, Victor and I are gonna raise it up and start drilling some self-tap screws in there just to ensure that it won't fall off, especially in the rear. When you look at it from the side, it actually looks good. Just that when you're staring right at it. All right, cool. I ended up putting like a piece of tape right there, piece of tape right there, piece of tape right there, piece of tape right there. And in between each strips of tape, that's where I put the screws in. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side.
Oh, bitch. Got it.
Nah, that's cool. So we ended up getting this piece off now. That took maybe 10 minutes. I'm telling you, this is the hardest thing to do, is to put a side splitter on. This piece right here, I can't figure out how to take it off other than drilling it into it. So now we're just gonna go ahead and clean the bottom and line it up like we did last time. It's already lifted. I'm gonna start drilling on the bottom in between each tape to make sure it's good. Yeah. Check it out, guys. So that's it right there. Very simple install. Just took a little time to get that piece off, but other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory how to do it. Huge shout out to VentusAutoWorks for sending these out. I was able to get in touch with them and double check. And like I said, the thing I like about it is that they ask you all the questionnaire and everything. And the simple question was, do you have a mud guard? I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to measurement. And if you see, it's just right like on it. That's this side right here. And this is the other side right here. Look at that. Perfect fitment. So it's just the right amount. And they do other ones as well, and they're also based off of Canada. So if you guys want to check them out, the link will be in the description. But yeah, and then looking at this side, I think it does look a little bit better. Victor, what do you think?
Looks amazing.
Looks better? Hell yeah. Doesn't look as good as yours. Kayak. Damn. I need those, dude, I can't wait for you to get your carbon fiber fenders. That'd be nice. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna be working on another one as well, and hope you guys see you guys in another one. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.